Now, the way that I found this first winning product that we're going to go out and create a video ad for today is that I was literally using one of my favorite methods, which is just on Facebook. You're on Facebook here, I'm on this business page, and then on the right-hand side under home, you have related pages. So I just open these up in a new tab, right? So let's just say we open this one up. So we're on their Facebook business page, we click info and ads, and then we just see what ads they're running. If we're not happy with the products that they're running, for instance, if we go to global ads and we see this one here, if we're not happy with this product, we just go to home, or if they're not running ads, go to home, and then we just repeat the process. Keep opening them up until you find a product that you're happy with. And as you start doing that a lot and a lot, when you see a post, so if we go back here, just say you're having a look, right, at an ad, and you see a post and you click the learn more, right, you're showing Facebook that you're engaging with these posts. As you're repeating this process and going through the related pages, looking at their ads, clicking this, you're going to get seen in Facebook's eyes as someone that's interested in buying. So then every so often, I would also just come back to my home feed, and then I just scroll down and see what ads are targeting me and retargeting me because of what I've just been doing. So there's a winning product, right? Go down, and we just go through the products that are targeting me now, because I've been interacting with all these ads during that related pages process, right? So here's another one. So I was just doing that, and then I came back to my home feed, was scrolling, and I got targeted with our first product that we're going to be making a video for, which is this product here. So this product is actually an anti-aging product, and you can see from the video, it's really good, really high quality. And the captions are actually quite good, to be honest. And it has, those 3D videos that show the skin changing. It has that really personable human touch of faces actually using this. Now, this post actually only has 9 comments and 10 shares. This isn't the post that I was retargeted with. I was actually retargeted with a post that I had a lot more engagement. So what I did is I actually went to their business page. So I clicked on the vanity shop, and then under info and ads, I can see all the ads they're running. Notice what happens as I scroll down this page. So if I'm scrolling down, okay, so there's a picture. Just notice this area over here. So there's the serum here and then a lady's face. This is the thumbnail for the video. If we scroll down, the video then starts playing. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, different thumbnail. It looks like this is a liquid dropper. And then the video starts playing. If we go down a little bit more, lady's face, and then the video would start playing. Don't know why it didn't just then. It's actually a different video, it looks like. So they're testing not only different thumbnails, so this is the same video with that different thumbnail, the same video as the first two. So when I see a company like this that is getting the same video and they're testing different thumbnails for that video, and then on top of that, they're actually testing different videos. So you can see that this video here, right, goes into the product first, and then this one here actually goes into a completely different video. It's like that scene there. It shows me that they're really working to make this product scale out. And then if we go up here under the countries that they're doing it to a lot of countries. So I'm going to guess that they're making some money with this product because they're doing this. And if we have a look at the actual video, so if you right click on, say, one of these videos, okay, and we open this in a new tab, it has 1.2 million views since Wednesday. It's Saturday today. So this product here is obviously a hot product, and they're already testing multiple types of videos and even the thumbnail. When people get nitty and gritty with the thumbnail, usually it is a good sign, right? And it's usually a sign that the marketer, sort of maybe knows what they're doing, because a lot of people don't bother with the thumbnail, but it does make a big difference. Another thing to note is they're actually testing the same video with 2 different ad copies. So say no to surgeries, this video here, say no to surgeries. So it's the same sort of video, but they're just testing learn more here with this, clinically proven. And then over here, it just says on sale. So they're just changing those little things. And when people are really trying to refine those sort of things, it is a positive sign. Now, the ultimate sign that they're really working to make this product work, if you click on that to go to the ad link, it doesn't land on a normal product page. It lands on a sales page for this product. And what I mean by that, a normal e-commerce store has, say, the picture here and add to cart, the price button, and maybe a little bit of a description and then some related products. This page is designed specifically to sell this one product. And usually people won't do this unless they have a good feeling about it and they're making some money. So, this is a really, nice page that's probably making them a lot of money. And the last thing with this product, and the reason I've chosen it today, is just because if I map this into the winning product framework, so this is the winning product framework, it's what I use to judge whether or not I want to run a product that I find. In the description below on this video, you can actually download this exact template. So what I do, I put in the title of the product, the competitor's URL, how much they're charging for it. So if we go back to their landing page, they're charging $59 for one. I found this on AliExpress for about $19. So $59, $19, that's some $40 profit to spend on ads, right? So once we plug it into there, it has the $20 to spend on ads. So that meets that. Definitely has a high perceived value because people don't really know what it's worth. And you can sell this for the $59, right? Because people feel like it's going to improve their life, which is another one. It has a unique selling point. It's anti-aging. It's going to make their skin better. Low risk of returns. This, we can look at things like the AliExpress seller volume. There wasn't too many sales for this product at this point in time that I could find. So this one's a little bit eerie. I can't actually completely say that it doesn't have a low risk of returns, but for the sales that have gone through here, 152 orders, 43 have said 4.9. So yeah, on that, I'm just gonna assume that it has a low risk of returns. Low lawsuit risk, I would say yes, nothing's really heating up or could damage someone's skin. I actually looked at something called it like a comedone or something like that, which is this device here. Basically, you suck the oils and the dirt out of your pores. I actually watched a YouTube video of a lady using this product. You're supposed to stretch your skin out and you know, do it for 3 seconds maximum on one spot and keep moving. This lady just left it on her skin and had a bruise. So bruising of the skin with this product that's suctioning your skin, you know, that it's not a lawsuit risk, but it is a little bit more harmful. Whereas this product here, you're more rubbing it on your skin. There's no suctioning, there's no real heating or anything like that. So I feel like I'm gonna say it has a low lawsuit risk. Targeting ideas, yes. Fashion, makeup, so many here. Seasonal risk, no. Everyone always wants, you know, good skin all year round. And then social virality, yes. You know, it's skin, it's you know, pimply. Everyone loves like popping pimples and watching popping pimples and all those sort of skin things. So I think it definitely does have that social virality, and that social virality is justified from the 1.2 million views that they have on the video for that product. So that's the product that we're going to look at testing for this online course. Now, to put it all together, the previous video we went through what makes a good video format to run as an ad to promote an e-commerce store. So again, we looked at, you know, the format of it, the sequence to display information, and then from that, you know, we've shown here, you know, the product that we're going to be testing. I validated why I feel like this is a winning product that I want to test, why I feel like this market is currently making money with it, and, you know, we obviously mapped it into the winning product framework and determined that it has the margins and meets the criteria that we're, you know, wanting to look for in a product before we go ahead and test it. So really, we've got all the foundations right now to go ahead and test this product. So in the next video, and the next step in this process is obviously to take the ad that this marketer is currently using to promote this product, edit it to make it our own, and then we'll look at running an ad to that video.